बच्चों, let's see the question here. The correct sequence which shows decreasing order of ionic radii of the elements is 1 O minus 2 greater than F minus greater than Na plus greater than Mg plus 2 greater than Al plus 3, 2 Al plus 3 greater than Mg plus 2 greater than Na plus greater than F minus greater than O minus 2. Third, Na plus greater than Mg plus 2 greater than Al plus 3 greater than O minus 2 greater than F minus. Fourth, Na plus greater than F minus greater than Mg plus 2 greater than O minus 2 greater than Al plus 3. Here we will start our solution in this case. And सबसे पहले हम start करेंगे key concept से. So as we know that for the size ratio, size of cation, it is least. Then we have parent atom size and maximum is for anion. The reason here, cation क्या होता है? It is formed when we lose one electron. That means if we lose electron, so electron जो repulsion होगा वो decrease करेगा और Z effective increase करेगा. उस वजह से क्या हो जाएगा? इसका size smaller हो जाएगा. Whereas in case of anion, यहाँ पे एक electron add किया जा रहा है, तो उस वजह से क्या होगा? जो electron repulsion force होता है वो increase करेगा and due to that size increases. Okay? And if we increase the positive charge in this case, तो वहां पे क्या होगा? मतलब number of electron जो lose हो रहे हैं वो ज्यादा होंगे. So Z effective will also increase and due to that radius will decrease. Whereas in case of anion, अगर यदि यहाँ पे charge increase करेंगे तो repulsion force भी increase होगा and due to that इस case में जो size or we can say radius, it will increase. Okay? So here in this case we can see that we have O minus 2, F minus Na plus Mg plus 2 and Al plus 3. So anions, that is negative charge वालों का size जो होगा वो larger होगा as compared to that of positive charge cations. So here we will note down the order of ionic radii in this case. तो maximum किसके लिए होगा? ये anions के लिए. और with increase in charge, radius increases for anion. That means maximum हो जाएगा O minus 2. Then we will have F minus, and further for cation, with increase in charge, radius decreases. That means then we will have Na plus, then Mg plus 2 और least हो जाएगा Al plus 3 के लिए. That is option 1 is correct here. I hope you understood the explanation. All the best.